service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Delaware Bay, the Atlantic coastal waters between Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey and Cape Henlopen, Delaware out to 20 nautical miles, including Cape Henlopen, over Falls Shoal, Slaughter Beach, Bootley 2MS, Brandywine Shoal Light, Brown Shoal Light, Cape May Point, and 14-foot bank light until 8:30 p.m. At 6:51 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm, producing strong winds 34 knots or greater over Slaughter Beach, moving southeast at 15 knots. This strong thunderstorm will be near 4 nautical miles southwest of Brandywine Shoal Light by 7:10 p.m. over Brown Shoal Light by 7:20 p.m. 6 nautical miles northeast of Cape Henlopen by 7:35 p.m. 2 nautical miles northeast of over Falls Shoal and 3 nautical miles southwest of Cape May Point by 7:45 p.m. over Bootley 2MS by 8:20 p.m. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.
At 6 p.m. at the Philadelphia International Airport, it was partly sunny.